Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hey Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday and it is your free day. So if you're an at-home fly baby, this is what your day is going to look like. You're going to get up before the family. You're going to do all your morning routines, and a lot of those are based on your evening routine. Did you lay out your clothes? That's part of your evening routine. Did you run the dishwasher or wash your dishes? That's part of your evening routine, right? So get up this morning and do your morning routine. After your morning routine, help your children with their routines. After the kids have their routines complete, then if there's any other routine you need to do, you can do that. And you might want to switch it around. I don't know, if you have to milk a cow and you have to do her first thing in the morning, put on your overalls and go milk her, then come in and do your morning routine, and then put the kids through their routine. It's you who is the CEO of your life and of your home. So if that's the way it has to happen, that's the way it has to happen. I do recommend, however, that if you're saying, well, I just get up with the kids and I just put something on and take them to school and then I come home and do it properly. You know what that is? That's perfectionism. Please get up before your children and get yourself ready. So when they wake up, their eyes get a feast of mom all ready for the day, okay? All right, the next thing we're gonna do on this lovely day is our laundry and our paper routine. All right, remember 1 inch of paper a day gets you through 2 feet in a month. So think about how much you have in your house. Will you be able to get through it in a year, in 6 months, in 3 months? Do you not have any left? Awesome. Are you controlling your clutter by making sure that you check your mail and all the kids' stuff that comes in the house? Are you controlling your paper clutter in that way so that it doesn't build back up? Are you controlling the other clutter in your house by having 3 times a day clutter checks? After breakfast, in the afternoon, and before bed? Those are going to make a big difference in having you not reclutter what you've decluttered. Reclutter is so awful because it's so defeating. So let's stay on top of that. The next thing we're going to do in our day today is we are going to do our Fly Babies and Lions. I just got a notification that one of my Fly Babies, my precious Fly Baby's husbands, just passed away. I knew he was going to pass away, but getting that notification right in the middle of my recording, I had to stop and give her a call. I hope you keep Christina in your prayers and John, who passed away. And thank you so much for being my Fly Babies. And that's an example of life happening. That's an example. It didn't happen to me, but it happened to someone I care for. And in the old days, that would just have turned my house upside down. And if it happened to me personally, I know it would be challenging. But when you have those kinds of challenges, the number one thing you want to do is you want to stick with your routines because they give you a sense of normalcy. And we all know that the Lord gives us the peace that surpasses all understanding to handle these things. So I just wanted to let you know, that's why I was acting weird there. I just got a little notice and I had to stop. But I hope that you take these things into consideration. The easier you want to make your life, then the more you want to get it decluttered and the more you want to get into this system, okay? All right, have a wonderful day and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.